Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? My neck didn't like that. Oh, it's cracking so much. Whoa, I'm popping. Am I turning into bubble wrap? Oh my god. That one last crack was so intense, I got goosebumps. My body's like, stop doing that. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing full face of makeup using only products that cost less than $10. Everything under 10 bucks. Yes, baby. The dream of almost every person that loves makeup is to find something that is good and inexpensive. Dream combo. I love makeup products, but you know what I love more than makeup products? Affordable makeup products. So today I have some new products that I've never tried before, which are quite inexpensive. I also have some which I've tried and I loved. So without losing any time, let's jump right into it. Oh, I said that so quickly. I'm wearing a V-neck. Who is this? Look at my V-neck. Look at my V-neck. So for my primer today, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Is this supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha one? That really expensive Tatcha primer? I don't know, it kind of looks like it, it kind of feels like it. I have that Tatcha primer. Let me tell you, it's so expensive. I refused to use it on any other occasion except for the special ones, which were like 3. I literally used it like 3 times and then it expired. The end. It's such a sad story. That Tatcha primer was something different. It was a very unique formula. Whoa. This is my first time using this e.l.f. primer. It gives me that radiant finish, but it also blurs out my pores and my texture. Not 100%, I can still see some of my pores. It blurs them to like 70%, you know? I like that it makes my skin to look more radiant, but it also has that blurring effect and everything looks so much more smooth. How did they do that? Whoa. e.l.f. What is going on here, e.l.f.? It feels like one of those silicone primers that blur your pores, that make everything look flat. But it's not that silicone-y. Does that make any sense? I think that I like this e.l.f. primer more than the Tatcha one. Did I say that? I think I actually did. Radiant, but smooth finish. 3 words. I like it. I'll definitely keep on using that. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Now for my foundation, I'll use this one here by e.l.f. It's their Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Natural. I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand. This shade is definitely not the perfect one for me. Oh, hello there, coverage. I'm still a little bit bruised here. It doesn't hurt, but you can definitely see the bruise. No, I didn't make anybody angry enough to punch me, if this is what you wanna ask. I had 2 of my wisdom teeth removed. Remember that video where I was telling you guys that I need to get my wisdom teeth removed? And I was freaking out because I was expecting it to be so painful and so horrible, and thinking about how nervous I was back then, it makes me nervous now. I got them removed, it was not that bad, and now I have a bruise, which is actually till down here. Like, what? This foundation smells really nice. It's a very specific scent. I feel like it's 50-50. 50% of the people will like it, 50% will absolutely hate it. It smells like my mom's makeup bag that she has not opened for like 20 years because she stopped using makeup in her 20s. It smells exactly like that. I feel like I want to put my hair in a bun and I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it. I can't believe that this foundation is like $6. It looks way too good to be true. Look at all that hair. Whoa, e.l.f., what are you doing to us today? I really love how my skin looks like right now. Oh no, I forgot to use my hydrating cocoa mist. I'm gonna use it now. Whew, it smells like coconuts. Alright, great, awesome. Now let's go ahead and move on to the brows. For my brows today, I'm gonna actually put them in place with my hair gel, which is under 10 bucks. And it's a huge tube of product. I'll have grandchildren, they'll be going to school, and I'll probably still be using this same tube of product because it has so much in it. I don't think that I'll be able to go through it before it expires. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put my brow hairs in place. Rimmel Brow This Way in the shade medium brown. Now this has this, whoopsie. Don't scare me like that. This has powder and a pomade, like a cream, gel eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, brow powder. I mean brow product, cream, brow product. What is going on with me? I can't talk today. I'm taking that cream on an angled brush and I'm gonna start filling in my brows with it. Alright, and then I'm gonna use the powder to set that cream in place. Really nice dough, because you're getting cream and powder, and that's basically all that you can possibly need for your brows. Now go ahead and add some concealer on my eyes. I actually got this concealer for my face. I mean, I still use it on my face, but I got it for my under eyes and for my blemishes and stuff. But as you can tell, this is a very, very, very light shade of concealer. And I thought I can use it to clean my brows with it, and because it's such a light color, it will create the illusion of more lifted eyebrows. I'm cleaning only the bottom part of my brows with it. Okay, and I'm gonna take it all over my eyelid and use it as my eyeshadow primer. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, smooth, and ready for the eyeshadows. I want to go ahead and set my forehead only, and for my powder today, I'll use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent. This has been my favorite powder for years. Talking about all-time favorite products, Sleek Makeup I Divine eyeshadow palette in A New Day. I used to use the Sleek Makeup eyeshadow palettes all the time. I don't know why I stopped. This is more of like a neutral eyeshadow palette. Colors that you can use for everyday kind of looks. So I'll start off with this shade right here. They don't really have names. I'll actually mix it with the one next to it. Next up, I'll take some of the darkest brown from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm adding this in the outer third of my eyelid. Diffusing the edges with that previous brush that I used to apply the crease color. I haven't added any eyeshadow on it, just whatever I have left from when I was applying the crease color. I will add a little bit more of that dark brown eyeshadow again in the outer third and blending out again. Now I'll go ahead and use some shimmers. Of course, this shimmery eyeshadow here is awesome. It has more of like the formula of a foiled eyeshadow. It feels more creamy. Put on your sunglasses. I forgot to warn you. I will go ahead and just use my finger to apply this on my eyelid. Oh, no. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand. It's called Berry M. They have so many products and all of them super affordable. This is their glitter fixer. Basically, glitter glue. So I'll take some of it on the back of my hand, and I want to apply this before the shimmery eyeshadow. This will probably make it even brighter. Is that possible, you ask? I don't know. We'll try it out. So I'm gonna apply this gel slash glitter glue right here where I'm gonna apply my shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my shimmery eyeshadow and boom, 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 boom. Who is obsessed with this eyeshadow? I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. Oh, I think that I'm gonna take some of this gold shade right here. Ooh la la. Let's add it in the center of the eyelid. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. By the way, when I was ordering it, I thought that it was like a normal sized pen eyeliner, right? It's smaller than what I expected. Check it out. This is a normal sized eyeliner. This one is the one that I used today. I don't know what to tell you. About this glitter fixer gel, I don't think that it actually did a huge difference. Maybe I'm not using it right. I don't know. I'm a little bit concerned about this pair of lashes. Oops. They come with a glue. I'm a little bit concerned because they look very long. I like long eyebrows. Long eyebrows? Do I? I like long lashes, but this one look like they will be touching my brows. Yeah, I like when my lashes are touching my brows. I like long lashes. You should be concerned about me only when my lashes touch my baby hairs. Imagine wearing so long lashes they actually touch my baby hairs. Whoa, that would be a very dramatic look. I should do that look for Halloween, and we can call that look Lasha. Lashes? Lasha, you know? Lasha, the girl that didn't know when to stop. Lasha. So this mascara that I'm gonna try out today has a very different wand. It starts as a regular wand, but then woof, a bow. I mean, this one is kind of nice because you can reach these inner lashes here with that bow, and you can also use it to coat your lower lashes. You can call me Denny before I add my falsies, but after I have my falsies on, my name is Lasha, okay? Do you think that it's actually a real name? Am I offending all the... Ow, I poked my eye. I guess I am. I don't want to offend anyone called Lasha out there. I think that it's actually a pretty cool name. Ow! I hit my elbow at the edge of the desk. This hurt differently. Now I'll go ahead and finish up my face makeup. I have this All Night Long Full Coverage Concealer by Berry M. So I'll go ahead and use some of it under my eyes. Again, this is my first time using this concealer, so I'm really hoping that it has nice full coverage. Okay, it's not that Tarte Shape Tape full coverage, but it's definitely covering a lot. I'm gonna add a second layer. This can be a nice concealer for more of like a everyday, more toned down makeup look, but since I'm doing something more glam today, I want my under eye area to be really flawless. I don't want to have any darkness under my eyes. So I also have these concealers here by e.l.f. It's their Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I thought maybe... Whoa, it smells like chemicals. But I thought maybe I can use some of it under my eyes as well. I'm layering so much products under my eyes today, you guys. I'm not used to applying so much stuff under my eyes because if I have a very thick layer of concealer under my eyes, there is no way that it won't crease. No matter how I set it with powder, no matter what kind of powder I use to set it, no matter what kind of tricks I do, it always creases throughout the day. Oh yeah, I think that this e.l.f. concealer definitely did the job with covering everything under my eyes. But I don't really like how it smells. It smells like nail polish. Anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my powder, Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and this one smells nice. Blush. I'll use this one here. Look at that cute packaging. It's so adorable. This is by I Heart Revolution. I'm using the shade Independent. Boom, boom, boom. I love blush so much. A little bit on the nose. I also have a contour which I wanted to try out today. Berry M. This is their contour kit. I'm very excited to try out the contour. Whoops. Usually I like my contour to be more cool toned brown shade. This one is very pigmented. I didn't expect it to be that pigmented, so I went so heavy with it. Now I don't know what to do. Now my cheeks are like super sculpted. This one is more warm toned. It's a nice color, but it's a little bit too warm for me to be contour. However, it can be a very nice bronzing shade. I like adding shades like that on my forehead because it always makes me look more sun-kissed, and it also sculpts my forehead. It makes it look a little bit smaller. I got this highlighter from Wet n Wild. I'll need to open it. Obviously my first time using it. Why do they make everything so hard to open? It's like it's supposed to never be opened. What it has inside? Some kind of a top secret? It's just a highlighter. Oh, it gives me some pink kind of glow. It has a pink undertone. It's not very pink. It's very discreet pink undertone. The highlighter is not discreet at all. You can see it from space. I overdid it on my nose, huh? Let's finish up the eye makeup. I'll take a mixture of this eyeshadow and this eyeshadow here. This is again that Sleek palette, and I'll just smudge them under my lower lashes. Lastly, oops, almost dropped that. I will use the Sleek Lip Shot in the shade Don't Ask. No, that's how the shade is called. It's not that I don't want to tell you, but don't ask. Is this a lip gloss? I thought that it was a lipstick. I thought that this was a lipstick, so I wasn't really planning on wearing any lip liner or anything else, but it turned out to be a lip gloss. So I'm gonna use a lip liner to kind of define my lips a little bit more. I should have probably applied my lip liner first, because it's very slippery, the lip gloss. This lip liner that I'm using today is by NYX. I'm also filling in my lips with it. And I'm adding the lip gloss on top. Alright, and this completes our look for today. Let me guys know what you think about this look down in the comments. Also, I want to know if you guys want to see more videos like that, where I'm showing you a full face of makeup using only affordable stuff. I can't lie to you, I love affordable stuff. I love when makeup products are inexpensive and are good. I think that when you find a good and affordable product, it's so much more exciting. It makes you so much more happy, because when something is expensive, you kind of expect it to be good. So yeah, let me guys know if you want to see more videos like that. I really enjoy filming them. I really enjoy finding the good gems out there and sharing them with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because that helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!